Thank you for watching. Please stay until the end of the video for the solution to should I invest in Bitcoin? What exactly is Bitcoin? And what is it used for? Bitcoin is a form of digital currency. Digital money as a concept isn't all that difficult to grasp. Transferring money from one online bank account to another is nothing new for most of us. People can send and receive Bitcoin over the internet to make purchases. As an alternative to existing payment systems, digital money was designed to operate without the need for centralized control, which is known as decentralization. With Bitcoin, you may make and receive payments just as with traditional currency. However, banks don't take a share of every transaction. With that being said, if you want to buy or sell Bitcoin, you'll have to pay transaction fees, deposit fees, withdrawal fees, trading costs, and escrow fees. A small percentage of the entire transaction value is required to cover these fees. Because cryptocurrencies have no exchange rates and are globally accepted, their value is the same no matter where you use them. There is no tangible version of the coin, unlike standard currency. An encrypted code consisting of a string of numbers and letters is used to create each Bitcoin. The code can be unlocked using the same equation that generated it, kind of like a key. This is what is known as a blockchain. What is a blockchain exactly? It's difficult or impossible to edit, hack, or trick the blockchain system because of how information is recorded. When it comes to blockchains, think of them as giant digital ledgers that are duplicated and dispersed throughout the blockchain's whole network of computers. There are transactions in every block of the chain, and a record of each transaction is added to each participant's ledger whenever a new transaction occurs on the blockchain. Distributed Ledger Technology, DLT, is the name given to the decentralized database administered by various members. As a form of DLT, blockchain uses immutable cryptographic signatures known as hashes to record transactions. To put it another way, if one block in a chain were modified, it would be obvious. Hackers would have to alter every block of a blockchain system in all of its distributed versions to corrupt it. With the addition of new blocks to the chain, the security of blockchains like Bitcoin increases considerably. Is Bitcoin safe? A number of high-profile Bitcoin exchange hacking incidents have resulted in the theft of funds, but these firms always stored the digital currency on behalf of their clients. The website, not the Bitcoin network, was compromised in these incidents. The fact that Bitcoin is decentralized poses a significant difficulty. As a result, anyone who makes a mistake when performing a transaction in their wallet is helpless. If you send Bitcoins to the wrong address or forget your password, there is no one to turn to. Investing in cryptocurrencies is associated with risk due to their high volatility. There have also been reports of people being forced to wait for their money to be released due to technical difficulties. Things to think about before making a Bitcoin investment. The dangers and rewards of investing in cryptocurrencies are the same as those of any other investment. Cryptocurrency is a high-risk investment, even when compared to more traditional options. In other words, treat it like gambling and put only a small portion of your disposable cash into it. Don't put more money into an investment than you're willing to lose. If you don't have a lot of money left over at the end of each month, you should avoid investing in cryptocurrencies and instead work on building up your savings. So, is it a good idea to put money into Bitcoin? In 2022, prices are likely to rise even further. Several crypto market analysts predict that by the end of 2022, Bitcoin will be worth at least $100,000, and the latest increases support this theory. The boom and bust cycles that have characterized Bitcoin's whole life cannot be denied. Thus, some significant ups and downs look incredibly likely. With such volatility, anyone interested in investing in Bitcoin must have a solid strategy in place before investing. Before getting involved, you should ask yourself a few questions. Do I know where my money is going? Is the level of risk acceptable to me? How much more expensive has it gotten since I last checked? Hence, why would I want to pay more for anything just because it's more expensive? Anything to suggest that prices might go even higher? If I buy it today with the intention of reselling it for a greater price in the future, who do I expect to buy it from me and why? Why didn't I buy it when it was much cheaper if it was so great? Do not invest in Bitcoin if you do not know the answers to the above questions. To avoid losing money, don't invest in Bitcoin unless you're very certain you can afford to lose it. We do not advise you to put all of your retirement funds into cryptocurrency. Are there other cryptocurrencies that have less volatility than Bitcoin? The short answer is yes. Many participants in the Bitcoin market are looking for a safe haven, notably the opportunity to earn from digital coin activities, and stablecoins provide this option. In cryptocurrency, a stablecoin is a digital currency backed by a fiat currency, such as the US dollar. Stablecoins, in contrast to other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, are supposed to maintain their value regardless of the fiat currency backing them. In situations where volatile cryptocurrencies are undesirable, stablecoins are an excellent choice. Stablecoins employ a variety of ways to maintain a consistent price, and some are centralized, while others are decentralized. How can I profit from coins that maintain a consistent price? The benefits of stablecoins are numerous, but you cannot profit from keeping them as an investment, unlike other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Stablecoins offer the benefit of hedging against crypto market downturns by simply swapping your crypto for stablecoins. You'll be able to keep more of your money this way. When the crypto bottoms out, you can rebuy the coin at the lower value and hope for a return on your investment. Investing in crypto interest-earning systems like BlockFi, Nexo, and others can let you profit from stablecoins. DeFi lending systems like Compound, where stablecoins are locked up for greater profit, are preferred by some. It doesn't matter how you look at it, there is always a danger associated with crypto. Many people have made a lot of money using Bitcoin, but many others have lost a lot of money in the process. In the world of investment, investing in Bitcoin is a major step. To take part, you'll need to do your homework and do plenty of it. Spend your hard-earned money wisely.